There we go. Maybe leaked out a little early. Well, new high of the day. All right, currently flat, no setups. Got to wait for a valid setup. Another 10 seconds or so. After that initial move, let's see if we get any range. All right, so let's see what we get here. Got a possible long setting up. There it is at 67. So getting long. Let's see if we can continue this rally. And money management is in sight. 77. And we got there. Make sure you lock in your one tick. All right. That works. Target 2, target 3. Trailers at 78, 79. And that's it. There you go. 1 minute and 11 seconds. There you go. Yep. Hit target 2, target 3. I mean, this is such a strong strategy or strong trade plan. It's already lost the last 2 in a row. I mean, the odds of it losing 3 in a row, I think, are so remote. I don't know if I've ever seen that yet. So I like the odds on this, especially when we saw liftoff after the report with expanded range to the upside and a rally that's now still going. And after a good move up and then a little bit of a reaction, just think in terms of action, reaction, subsequent action. The subsequent action tends to mirror the first action. This would be, you'd have to think of a higher time frame, but this is like the perfect trade. You got your action move up, you got your reaction, and our counterpunch setup kind of got us in at the beginning of the second action move up. Got a nice piece of it. It's the kind of thing I like to see. There might be some more good trades coming. I mean, it seems like the trades are happening right now. I'm one and done. I'm happy with that. It was the only trade I took today. And that's about it. Dirk, I'm talking about losing sessions, and the crude oil report is usually a winning session. It's winning in the high 70s, 70+%. You can count on it being a winning session. There were 2 losing sessions in a row the last 2 weeks. The odds of a third losing session, I think, is pretty rare. I don't remember the last time that's happened. You got to trust the strategy. The strategy wins more than it loses. So you got to figure if there's a couple losses, usually the winners are, winners come after losers. That's just a basic axiom. I mean, traders usually quit at the end of one step back. It's the worst time to quit. Well, what's one step back? Well, it's losing trades or losing sessions, whatever. It's all about the 2 steps forward, 1 step back, and you want to make sure you're not the guy who's jumping in after the 2 steps forward right at the end and then quitting right at the end of the 1 step back. That's what human beings do. That's not what traders do.